Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today I want to talk to you about a brand new mascara we just launched, Moonstruck Epic Twisted Mascara. So let's get started. So if you know anything about Younique's mascaras, you know that we have two mascaras. Now we have three, but we had two. We have the Moonstruck 4D mascara. This is our mascara that has the fibers in it that adds length to your lashes, gives you a more false lash appearance. We also have our infamous Epic Original Mascara, which comes in black, brown, and waterproof, which this is one of our top selling mascaras. And now we made a third mascara, and the third one is the Epic Twisted Mascara. So you're probably wondering, well, what's the difference between this mascara and these two mascaras? Okay, well, once again, the 4D has fibers in it. Once again, adds length to the lashes to give you more of a false look to your lashes. The original Epic mascara is more of it lengthens and thickens, but I find it's more of a thickening mascara. Gives you a lot more thickness, lengthens but more thickness to the lashes. And now the Twisted Mascara, the difference between this and the other mascaras is that there are two brushes with this mascara. That's what makes it interesting. This mascara is the same formulation as our Epic Original. So if you love the Epic Original, you're gonna love this mascara too, because it's the same formulation. There's no fibers in this mascara. So if you're somebody that doesn't like the fibers, or some people are allergic to fibers, there's no fibers in this mascara. So I'm gonna demonstrate this mascara to show you what it looks like on your lashes. I will tell you that this particular mascara is going to be a little bit more natural looking on the lashes. It separates the lashes, makes them look more wispy, rather than the original Epic mascara, which gives it a little bit more of a thicker look. There's no clumping with this mascara either. So there's two, when you turn where the silver is and you open it, that's one brush. Like I said, there's two brushes with this mascara. And then if you turn the top like that, you get the little brush. So you're probably thinking, well, what do you do with two brushes? Like, why two brushes? Well, I'm gonna demonstrate. So I don't have any makeup on my eyes right now. I'm gonna use the bigger brush. And you can see that the brush itself, it's almost like a little comb, which I like, because that's gonna help separate the lashes. So if you find that when you put your mascara on, you need an eyelash comb to separate and get the clumps out, you don't need it with this. This will do it right away. So I'm gonna go in and coat my top lashes. And I'm using the larger brush to do that. And if you just do one coat of this, it's perfect for somebody who doesn't really like a lot of makeup, but you do want your lashes to be noticed, but still on the natural side. And I like to coat behind the lashes as well as the front, and get down by the base and bring it up. Okay, let me just clean up a little bit. I always get a little bit on my eye. So you can see, very natural looking. Now for the bottom, you can use this on the bottom if you like, but I prefer, because my lashes on the bottom are very, very fine and small, I like to use this brush to do my bottom lashes. And this brush helps with those very fine lashes. It just gets in there and coats those very tiny, fine lashes that are always hard to get. Or if you use a bigger brush, sometimes there's too much on the brush and it gets on those baby lashes and gets clumpy. You're not going to find that if you use this little baby brush. It gets in there and coats the lash. Just clean up a little bit. See? And it's very natural looking. I didn't need to go in with a comb and separate. There's no clumps. So this is what this is what the twisted mascara looks like just by itself. Very natural looking. Now, if you still want natural, but you want to oomph it up a little bit, you can do a few coats of this if you want, or you can do what I like to do. I like to put on our Lash Primer. So this side, I'm going to put the primer on, and I'm going to go over it with the twisted so you can see the difference. Now, if you've never tried our primer, it looks like this. It goes on white, so don't get scared when you put it on. Your lashes are going to look white. But what's good about this is it also conditions the lashes, and it helps your mascara really attach to the lashes. It helps with thickness, it helps with length, and once again, it does help to condition the lash and help the lashes grow as well. If you have very stubby short lashes, this is going to help condition and help them stay healthy, strong, and even grow. So that's what you want. So I coat top and bottom with my lash primer, and I can't really see it, but it goes on white, but then it kind of dries clear. So now I'm going to go back in with my twisted mascara with the bigger brush. And let me just get my hair out of the way. And basically you're coating, you're going right over the top of that primer. And it just makes it even more pronounced. Can you see the difference? This one looks great. It's very natural looking. This one, look at my top lashes. It looks a little bit longer. And that's because I put primer on. So just so you can see the difference between the two looks, with primer and without. And you don't have to worry about it getting clumpy. Even with the primer, you're not going to get clump. Now, once again, go in with my baby brush to do my lower lashes. And you can use the bigger brush if you want on your lower lashes. I just prefer to use the little one because my lashes are very fine and small, as you can see, compared to this. So I like to go in with this. I feel like I have more control and it doesn't make as much of a mess. When I use the bigger brush, I always have mascara underneath because even though my lashes are on the finer side, they're kind of long and I always hit and have a big mess under my eye. This, I feel like I have more control. And you can also use this on your top lashes too if you feel that you have better control. And I also like to go underneath my bottom lashes, grab it, and curl it. See, I just need to clean up a little bit because I hit, but not too bad. I always do worse when I use a bigger brush underneath. But look at the difference. This is with the Lash Primer put on first. You can see it's a little bit more noticeable, a little bit more thick and lengthening. This one is very soft and wispy. So that's the difference you'll get if you use our primer first. But that's what this mascara is going to look like on your eyes. You can see that it gives you a very wispy, very natural looking lash. It's not too clumpy, it's not thick, it doesn't look spidery. You don't have to go in and try to clean up the lashes if you get a big clump. It doesn't get clumpy because of the way the brushes are and the formulation of this product. So anyway, I hope you liked my demonstration. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can tell you about this product. Oh, well, it will help to curl the lashes. That's one thing I forgot to tell you. Yes, depending on how you take the brush, I go behind my lashes and I grab the lash and go like this. But also, especially the skinny brush, the little tiny brush, that does help to curl the lashes. So if you grab it and you're doing that, going over, it does help to make sure that you don't have any of those flyaway lashes. It'll go in the right direction rather than having one that sort of, it does help to keep them going in the right direction the way they're supposed to be. So anyway, I hope you liked my demonstration. If you have any questions, I'll have all my information down below in the description. This is live right now on my website. Just came in the other day. It does retail for $27, just so you know. So it's a little bit more than our original Epic Mascara. This was $24, so this is $27, but that's because you're getting 2 brushes. So anyway, I hope you liked my video. Once again, I'm at thatbeautyaddict.com. And like I said, I'll have all my information down below, as well as how you can get in touch with me if you have any questions. So I hope you're having an awesome day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.